Hey Trevo! So it's been quite a while, but I'm back, and I know I've said it before, but hopefully this year I'll be able to make a lot more videos. Hopefully my year won't be as crazy as the last one. I asked you on Instagram which video I should start out with, and most of you wanted to see me unbox this beauty. So today I'll be unboxing my MS-881. And let's just get to it. And the reason why I'm inside my living room today is that I've got quite a lot of water in my shop. It's been raining like crazy in Denmark for the last while, and I've got this much water in my shop right now, so I couldn't really do that video. So I really wasn't feeling the whole bikinis and chainsaws. So I moved indoors, and now I'm in my living room. And I also quite like being indoors because I know this will give me a lot of comments about you not being able to bring your chainsaws indoors. But I am, because I decide what I want to do. And now let's unbox this beauty. So this is the beast of all beasts. Look at that! Just get rid of this just for a while. So there we have it. And inside the box you'll of course also find the tools and the manual that nobody reads. You can actually see her. There she is. So not much to unbox because it's just taking it out. I haven't gotten the bar for it yet, but I figured I could also use this as an opportunity to tell you why I'm getting this saw, because I know I'm also getting comments about us not having big trees in Denmark. But it's not that we don't have big trees in Denmark, but we do not have trees big enough for the 881, in my opinion at least. So why did I get myself a 121.6cc chainsaw? I'll be using it for milling, or I will turn it into a hot saw for timber sports. And it'll probably be the second. So if any of you know anybody who can turn an 881 into a hot saw and will be willing to teach me or let me come by and do it myself, let me know, because I would love to change this beast into my very own first hot saw. So that is the reason why I'm getting this big ass saw, because it is a big saw. It's about, I think it's almost 10 kilos just for the body in itself, and it is heavy to use. I've used it for some fellings early on, and I know what it feels like using this saw, and it's definitely not a saw I would love to use for an entire day because it is heavy AF to walk around with. But it's a nice saw. It's a really, really powerful saw, and that's why I want to turn it into a much more powerful saw. Well, this was just a really short video, but it's good to be back, and I can't wait to do more. Well, I hope you had a great Christmas and Happy New Year, and I can't wait to be back again. Remember, you can follow me on Instagram at Femalelumberjack, and you can find me on Facebook at FeliciaBank. And also remember to subscribe to my channel so that you know when I do new videos. And yeah, see you soon.